Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create an AirWallex account step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official AirWallex website. On the home page, enter your business email in the box and click Get Started. Next, you'll be asked a few questions about your company size, transaction volume, and how you plan to use AirWallex. Just answer them and continue. Then, fill in your personal details like your name and password, followed by your business name, country, and mobile number. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Create Account. AirWallex will send a verification code to your phone. Enter it, click Confirm, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully created your AirWallex account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.